Hi, Bo here from High Tech Investment, and in this video, which is the first of a new range, is the Money Tree EA. So we have set up a trading EA, expert advisor or robot, and it's currently trading. We are looking into exactly how that works, and we're also going to show you a range of profits where you can follow all our trades, a lot more in this particular video. Obviously, we also want to show you the developers behind the EA and what exactly are they promising. Some of the numbers are quite high, and that's also why we find it maybe a bit unbelievable, but definitely worth testing out ourselves. They do have some certified sites that seems to indicate that this robot is really, really good, and you can actually use it in multiple different FTMO trades. That's at least what they're saying also. We're going to test everything over the next weeks and months, and we're going to make sure that you are very close to all the information. So we're going to show you also exactly where you can find the documentation. We will do posts every single week and month, similar to what we do on some of the other robots here. And also we will show you exactly where you can link up and go in on FX Blue sites and see all the trades that are happening basically live. So stay tuned to the video here, and everything will come to you, including we're just going to show our MT4 platform here also, that all the trades are set up and live, and they are also on different broker accounts to try and just see if that makes any particular difference. So let's get started, and we're going to start off with the LeapFX, so which is the developers. We're going to go to the site and see exactly what they say about this robot. Now on the Money Tree robot website, we start off here and basically comes to the first presentation, over 700% profit in just 3 months. Obviously that sounds like quite a lot. There's a video in here about half an hour long explaining a bit about it from the developer side. So we're definitely not going to go through that, but feel free to go here afterwards. And then they go on here, so with the account stats and the verification links. So that now leads back to my FX book, and you can actually click the link here also. Just do that and you'll see the gains itself up here, 6,500%. So that is definitely quite a lot. Daily gains is more than 1%, 1.18 as it says here. Monthly more than 42%. And then a drawdown of 21%, balance is 59,000. And if we have a look at the deposit, started off with $1,000. So definitely that has been extremely good development. And then you can also see the this week, this month, how much they have made in here. So, and you have more statistics down here, not too much from 2023, obviously. Still 21% so far, the month is not over. And if you go back here in 2022, you will see also that February is where they started in 2022, so 97%, and then here 121, 77. So definitely it has been some quite high numbers. And then they look like in the mid 2022 they dialed it down a bit. Obviously also normally in the, especially here in August, so in July and August normally are the slow months. We've seen that on some of the other robots, but still it's been doing quite well, more than 20%, all the way up to 45, and all the way in September, so which was actually quite a good month for us here, it's all the way down to 13%. So obviously it works a bit different, and you can go in and have a closer look at all this. So this is the certified site, and it says here tracked record is verified and trading privileges are verified. So it should be a good one, but obviously we always want to do our own testing and our own reviews, and that's what we're doing here. So if we jump further down, you can see again here a smooth account growth and what we have just seen on the other side. Highly monthly returns of 100%. Well, we've seen that on some of them, and this results is back from 2022, so definitely outdated. The massive wave of profitable trades, and that is what they are also claiming here, over 90% win rate, which is extremely high, and definitely we're going to put that to the test. And then we have some testimonials, which we're not really so interested in. Rather want to go down and have a look and see sort of the nitty-gritty things of the EA itself. So here it says the EA has over 90% win rate. the trades 15 pairs. Actually, it trades up to 17. We have 17 on one broker account, 16 on another one. Simply because the broker doesn't supply all the different currencies traded. It says low account exposure risk. And again, something that has to be proven later on. Low stop loss, no hedging, no grid. And then it says is NFA and prop firm compliant. And obviously that is something that a lot of people really would be interested in if this works out. So definitely stay tuned for that. It's beginner friendly. Definitely we can tick that box off already now. It's very simple set and forget robot. There's not too many settings at all. 100% automated. Yes, of course it is. We can see that already now. High average monthly returns. Well, this all comes down to the test, and then trades of average last less than 5 hours. All these things will obviously be revealed during our test in the weeks and months to come here. Now, what include the membership? Well, you get full software access basically for this. Detailed setup guide. It's not so detailed because there's not really many things to set up, but it does cover all the essentials and also the lot sizing depending on if you want to have low risk, medium risk or high risk. So that is also covered in here. We're not going to show the manual in this particular video today. That will be for another one in the future. Full customer support and free lifetime updates. On top of this, also unconditional 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you don't feel that this is the one for you and it's not making what they promised, then you can always return it back. Now, on top of this, you can choose your plan below to get started. So there's two different plans they seem to offer here. You can invest the $597 per year or $899 for a lifetime, and it all depends on what you want. Both of them are covered under the 30-day guarantee, so there shouldn't be too much trouble with it. If this works or not, we can't really tell at the moment. So, but obviously, let's see what happens, and let's go on to the High-Tech Investment website where you can find more details on all of this and exactly how it's set up for all the future trading experiences with this EA. Now, when you arrive at the High-Tech Investment website, the first part is always go to the portfolio tab here, and you can see portfolio opportunities. We actually have the money tree right here. So let's go and have a look at that one. And we have set the first things up, at least so you are aware, get some details on the EA itself. And it says here also that it can trade up to 17 currencies during the normal Forex market. So it's not trading crypto, it is not trading indexes, things like this, gold, silver, metals. No, not that either. Only currency pairs, so within the Forex. Now, in the future, we will then post in here also the monthly profits. And that will be coming obviously at the end of or in the beginning of February. So when January trading is over, we will then post that so you know exactly what it is. And we also have made room here now for the future videos. The one we are doing right now will be added to our website here. And then on top of this, we're given a bit more information on the 17 different currencies that are traded. They are all highlighted in this particular one. On top of this, we also provide you here with the weekly profits. So that will also be something that we normally do over the weekends. Share exactly how has the sort of EA traded, what is the profits. So, and in this particular case, it's going to be a bit difficult to figure out exactly how much per week on so many different currencies, but we will set it up so hopefully you will have everything right there. Now, on top of this, we have also provided Blaze FX Blue link, and we also have an IG link. So we have two different demo accounts that all this is running on, and we're going to have a look at that in a second. Now, if you want to know a bit more about the LeapFX, you can use the link down here as we have. And also, if you already have this and you're looking for a new VPS supplier, then this is normally what we use. We are very happy with this. And also there's a link for IC Market, which is one of the brokers that we use from time to time. Now, the Blaze FX Blue link, all you have to do is basically click here and you will get the statement for the account. You can already see that it has done a few. So we started off with a $10,000 account and it has made $108. This is just in the last couple of days. It tells us here total return 1.1%, monthly return is calculated at 12 at the moment. It is a bit low because the account was set up a couple of days ago over the weekend, and we only got the robot set up here on Monday, so that means that there's a couple of days where nothing traded. So far, trade wins is 100% on this particular one, and you can see the currency pairs that has been traded also is over here. So this is the beginning of something hopefully more and more interesting in the future. On the days, we can see there's only 2 days in here at the moment that there has been trading going on. Today where we're shooting it is the 25th of January, and no trade has taken place so far, so we'll have to wait and see for that. If we go back to our website again and we now click on the IGFX Blue link, and this was started just about half an hour later than the other one, we can also see here that it has done quite well. We started off also here with a $10,000 account. It's up to $10,090 now after the 2 days. So close profit 90, and here we have total return of 0.9%, and monthly returns is calculated at the moment to 9.9. Trade wins is 83, so obviously a small little difference, but basically these are the same trades that it has taken. There's just a small little difference of about half an hour. So at the moment none of them are trading. And if we just have a quick look here also on the days itself, we can see here that the 2 days are now in. And it will be interesting to see now that all the trades have stopped, how synchronized it is from one broker to the next. But all of this you'll be able to follow exactly through our website here. You can go in, and these are basically only a few seconds old compared to what we have on our MT4 platform. But let's go to the MT4 platform for a second just to show you how the EA setup is at the moment. Now with the Blaze broker, the EA here is set up, as you can see here, with 17 different ones. So you got 4, 4, 8, and then you have 4 also in here, and then you have 5 at the end of the day, so 17 in total. Plus we have the FX Blue that is just here to make sure that you get all the details and all the information. All the platforms here is running one individual currency, so you basically add the robot to every single chart, and the chart has to be on 15 minutes, so that we have set up for all of them. And then you just make sure that the money tree robot is working. Your basically your key is valid, and you have a smiley face up here. So and then you can see the balance down here is at 10,108.55 USD, and that is basically the very simple setup. So for this particular EA, if we go to the IG one, we'll just flip over, and that looks like this. Again, same setup here, so just one currency pair less, and again with the FX Blue over here, all of them on 15-minute charts. And you can see the balance down here, $10,090.29. So that is basically the simple setup. So for this EA on the 2 particular brokers. So there you have it. Our robot testing has started. Everything is going to be documented. All you have to do is simply follow us on YouTube or go on our website. You can find all the details in there as they come available. So we hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure that you keep the notification bell turned on. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. And there will be a lot more, obviously, in the future on the money tree and exactly how the development is going. If we can use this for FTMO, there will be another thing to test later on. Right now, we just want to see if all the numbers are making sense, and you have a first row seat to actually follow us all the way through. So thank you for this time, and I hope to see you on the next video. Bye-bye.